Hey guys, so today I am going to be reviewing a product that has honestly changed the way I cook for my family. And it's the Granitestone 16 quart large glass air fryer. And look, I have a big family. I'm talking a real household, multiple hungry people, different taste, and everyone wants something crispy. And for years, I've been obsessed with fried food. Wings, fries, fried chicken, you name it. I love it. But deep fryer, deep frying is actually messy. It's greasy, and let's be honest, not exactly something you want to do every single night. So, when the brand decided to send this over for my review, I was ecstatic. Now, let me tell you exactly what I found. The very first thing that got my attention, and I mean that made me actually say, yes, please send it over, is that the food only ever touches the glass and stainless steel. That's it. No mystery coatings, no flaking, no wondering what just ended up on my dinner. As someone feeding kids, that peace of mind is genuinely priceless to me. Okay, now let's talk about the size because this is where the Granitestone really shines for people like me. This thing holds 16 quarts. That's enough to cook for 5 or 6 people in a single batch. I cannot overstate how much of a game changer this is. Before this, I was running my old air fryer in shifts. The first round of wings for the kids, the second round for me and my partner. First batch is getting cold while the second batch is cooked. It was a whole production. Now, I load up all 3 stainless steel racks and I'm air frying, I'm baking, I'm roasting different dishes at the same time. One rack has the chicken wings, another has seasoned fries, third has roasted veggies. Everyone is heating hot food at the same time. Now, one of the most underrated features on this thing is the crystal clear glass bowl. I know that sounds simple, right? But think about it. How many times have you opened up an air fryer mid cook just to peek at the food? And then you've lost all that heat, and suddenly your timing is off and things start cooking unevenly. We've all done it. Now, with this glass bowl, I can literally stand there and watch my food browning in real time. No guessing, no opening the door. I can see those wings getting golden. I can see my fries crisping up. And I know exactly when everything is done. It sounds like a small thing until you try it, and then you'll never want to go back. Now, here's the part I was most curious about. As a fried food lover, does it actually taste good? Yes, absolutely yes. The Granitestone uses a powerful 1300-watt fan with a 360-degree hot air convection. And what it does to the chicken wings or french fries is genuinely impressive. The outside gets the crispy, golden restaurant style texture that I honestly didn't think was possible without a deep fryer. Meanwhile, the inside stays juicy and tender. Now, here's the kicker, it achieves that with up to 90% less oil. We're not doing a deep fry here. We're talking a light spray or a drizzle, and the results still taste indulgent. Less grease, less smoke, no giant pot of oil to dispose of. All the flavor minus the guilt. For me personally, being able to give my family that fried food experience in a healthier way is everything. Okay, now let me talk about 2 more things that I think matter a lot in real daily use. How easy it is to operate and how fast cleanup is. Starting with the ease of use, the controls are simple, intuitive time and temperature dials, plus food icon presets that basically do the thinking for you. This is what it sounds like when it's done. Now, cleanup. This is usually where I have a problem with kitchen appliances because a good meal shouldn't mean an hour of scrubbing. But the Granitestone has a built-in self-cleaning function that loosens up residue automatically. The basket and stainless steel racks are dishwasher safe. We're talking cleanup in under 5 minutes on a typical night. And that's not an exaggeration. Rinse, rack, done. Now let me tell you another amazing feature. Now let's say you want to do roasted chicken and you think it's not going to fit. This handy dandy air fryer comes with this metal piece extender so you can actually fit something larger than what you thought could not fit. This is amazing. This is so creative. I mean, talk about feeding a large family. This really does an amazing job. One last thing worth mentioning. This isn't just an air fryer. It does 6 things: air fry, bake, roast, grill, dehydrate, and toast. I mean, 6 functions in one countertop appliance. Hope this helps.